flooring enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of waterproof flooring and exploring the hottest trends for 2024. Whether you're looking for durability, style, or both, these flooring options promise to elevate your space with both functionality and flair. Let's dive in. Waterproof flooring. Waterproof flooring has revolutionized the world of interior design, offering solutions for spaces prone to moisture and spill. From kitchens to bathrooms, these trendy flooring options not only resist water damage but also add a touch of elegance to any room. Exploring the trendy waterproof flooring trends. Let's explore the top waterproof flooring trends for 2024, starting with trend number 1. 1. Luxury vinyl planks, LVP. First up on our list is luxury vinyl planks, also known as LVP. These beauties have been gaining popularity for their durability, versatility, and stunning designs. With advancements in technology, LVP now comes in ultra-realistic wood and stone textures, offering the look of natural materials without maintenance. Plus, they're 100% waterproof, making them perfect for any room in your home. 2. Waterproof laminate flooring. Next, let's talk about waterproof laminate flooring. Laminate has come a long way in recent years, and manufacturers have stepped up their game by introducing waterproof options. These laminate planks are resistant to moisture, spills, and stains, making them ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, and even basements. Plus, they come in a wide range of colors, styles, and textures to suit any decor. 3. SPC and WPC flooring. Another trend that's making waves in the world of waterproof flooring is SPC and WPC flooring. SPC, or stone plastic composite, and WPC, or wood plastic composite, are engineered vinyl flooring options that offer superior water resistance and durability. They are perfect for high-traffic areas and commercial spaces. Plus, they come in a variety of modern designs and finishes to elevate any room. 4. Waterproof ceramic and porcelain tiles. For those who prefer a more traditional look, waterproof ceramic and porcelain tiles are still a top choice. These tiles are not only water-resistant but also incredibly durable and easy to maintain. They are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor spaces. 5. Eco-friendly waterproof flooring. Last but not least, eco-friendly waterproof flooring options are gaining traction among environmentally conscious consumers. From bamboo and cork to recycled materials, there are plenty of sustainable options available that offer both style and functionality. These eco-friendly floors are not only water-resistant but also contribute to a healthier indoor environment. And there you have it, folks, the top waterproof flooring trends for 2024. Whether you're renovating your home or designing a new space, these trends are sure to keep you stylish and dry for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips and trends. Thanks for watching and happy flooring!